Compliments of the festive season to all our viewers. Hello and welcome to Simply Sport with me, Neeraj Prabhu. You're watching Prudent. FC Goa have lined up a really special Christmas event here for their junior members, and these are the boys and girls from the age group of 6 to 12 years old. It's going to be an event where these youngsters meet their heroes from the first team. And to give us more insight into this program, we have with us FC Goa media manager Shauvik Roy Chaudhary. Shauvik, what's the surprise, or what are the highlights of this event?
It's not a surprise as such. We had started this junior Gore membership at the beginning of the season to get more youngsters into the side, to have a sense of inclusiveness in terms of getting them to interact with the players, have a sense of belonging. We have always tried to be more than just an ISL side. So you can see that we have a dev team. We have under 18, under 16, under 14, and also to inculcate a culture of football within the youngsters that we have. And this is just a giveaway from us. It's a time of the season when we spread the festive cheer, and that's what this event is all about. They can come here, they get some goodies, they get a personalized FC Goa jersey, and they also get to meet and greet with their players. And not only meet and greet, they're going to go play with them in a, I think, 5 versus 40 match. So that is supposed to be the highlight of this event.
Cool. So you can relax, sit back and enjoy this very cute little event, because youngsters, junior FC Goa members are going to be on the show here, and some of them might grab your attention for their skills, for their love of football, or whichever spark you may see in them could be an insight into the future, could be the future Mandas, Brandons, and all the talented players that Goa have produced in football. So sit back and enjoy the show.
Christmas style! Big round of applause for yourselves. We're here to celebrate Christmas as a family. So we're going to start with a very simple game. Very important. In this game of football, you have to control the ball. Don't let it go out of your teams. Very good. Very good. Very good. Neatly. Yes, fantastic. Ball in every single place. Fantastic! Oh, music! Oops, I'm sorry. You are out past the ball, and please go sit. All right, pass it on. Music! We sing again. Oops, I'm sorry, you're out. Young friend, attention, pass it. Oops, I'm sorry. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven. Oops, I saw you. Thank you very much. Why you caught it? Should have just let it go, yaar. No problem. Thank you.
Glitters in the sky.
Hey! Sorry. Go.
When a child is born, a rosy
Coming. Yes, very good. And you're out. Pass it on. Very good.
you're on solid ground. For a spell or two, no one seems forlorn.
this is going to get very tricky. What I want you to do, first take a turn around, full 360, pass it on. Full 360. Okay, wait for it, pass the ball.
No one knows.
Give him.
But a child.
Are you ready? Pass. Very good.
Tears to laughter.
Very good.
Hate
Yes,
to love.
good. Wrong side. Yes, very good.
And
Give it
everyone
up.
to everyone's
Last. Oh, my brother. Wrong side turning. No problem. Thank you. Last ones. Let us see who is going to be man of the match, player of the day. Are you ready? One turn to the left, one turn to the right, and pass. One turn to the left, one turn to the right, and pass. What does he want to the right? Very good. Very good on the side. A nice little Christmas star on the team. Fantastic. Oh, my buddy, what you call? But we have our player of the day. May I know who this is? And be gracious, please give a big round of applause. A very lovely Santa. Santa, come on the floor also. Yes. 5 players against you, lovely 50 players. Please give them a big round of applause. Don't you want to one day be where they are? Just like them. Knights in shining armor. Are you ready, boys? Yeah. You are doing this toss for your side, huh? Queen side, Zai, which side do you want? You want to call out? She calls out. So you have to say heads or tails when the coin is in the air, yeah? Now you tell me, what do you want? Head only, you're sure, not tail? You're sure? Okay, heads it is. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the toss is done, and ladies and gentlemen, it is heads. Which side you would like to defend? Sunny side or not sunny side? Not sunny side. So all the goalies, please go to that side. Get ready, take your players. They already started. You forgot to say the count. Parents, pay attention. All right, the ball's going. They don't know where it's going, but they're going for the ball. All right. How come there is no goalie in that team? Santa, what are you doing leaving the goal all alone? Lovely pass, but a good clear. He just grabbed onto his leg. That is such a good strategy at this good age. Oh, and the junior goal scored! Yeah, the goalkeepers are excited. Oh, and they just tripped him. You have very strong children. Big round of applause to the parents. Please give a big round of applause to the parents. Thank you for your support. Thank you. He's using his long legs to his best advantage. And a good pass. Oh, what lovely goalkeeping by the lovely junior girls. Fantastic. They've got the strategy right. Attack in masses. Nobody knows what is happening there. Ajib Gufar! The defenders are up and it's a goal. Go! Check them go! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yo, yo, yo! Wow, fantastic! He was standing there like a fortress. Penalty, not penalty. We do not have penalty. Go, Larry. Come on, Junior boys. Wow, 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 wow. Oh. He was standing there like a fortress. Atko udah itaw gitu to another Atko. Pushing, yes, take it forward. Keep going. Woo-hoo. Do I think it is what it is? Oh my God, it's a very corner, yes, but the chance is still in. It's a goal! And with that, our junior boys come out victorious. They are the winners of.
was a tough game, no, for us. It's very difficult to play against 60 children. Now it was very funny. We are very happy to enjoy with them. These days are very special for children, and it's important for them not to practice sport and to enjoy with their idols. So we're very happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Baba, tu Sam ko they were making you. You just made the children run, huh? I saw that. He was building their stamina up. I know. He had a greater call. He's like, come on, let's build the stamina of the lovely children. Moving in, Baba Sa captain. I know.
It was a tough game for us. They played very good and they won 3-2. But we enjoyed. Mohammad Masala played very good. He was running with the ball everywhere. And Lenny and Peña, it was good goal scored by Peña. And hopefully these kids will become better players in future and play for FC Goa. Thank you.
Thank you. Please give them a big round of applause.